Good morning again, Your Honor. Brent Lashinsky, PA 4238. I'm here on behalf of defendant.
Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff.
All right. And what is plaintiff's claim in this case?
It's termination.
Is it a term? I got MPR. I don't know why.
There's some confusion on that, Your Honor. The documents are a little bit in conflict. My client does have a complaint to recover possession for some lease termination, lease violations which have been unsubstantiated. I don't know at this time. It is the first hearing on this. Mr. Friedman and I have not discussed this issue.
Well, I'm just saying my file internally is marked an NPR, non-payment of rent case, but I'm looking at the paperwork and it's clear it's a termination case for an expired lease and other lease violations. And that matches the complaint in the case. All right.
The courtroom begins with a mix of confusion and formality. Two attorneys step forward, one representing the plaintiff, the other for the defendant. But right away, there's a twist. Even the paperwork doesn't match. The judge flips through the files trying to understand. Is this a termination case or non-payment of rent? Nobody seems entirely sure. The judge stays calm, but the tension in the room is undeniable.
So, you want me to adjourn this out? You guys can talk and then...
Yeah, I think there's a bit more complicated backstory to this than I think we could do in a breakout room. An adjournment would probably be the best course of action, Your Honor, if that's allowable.
I'll adjourn the matter to October 31st, 2025 at 1 p.m. That is an in-person proceeding.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mylan Pines versus April Palmer.
Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff.
And Deborah Palmer. Oh no. Oh no, no, man. Really?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Melody.
I know. We're haunted by that, but go ahead. No.
I'm a student attorney in the Civil Criminal Litigation Clinic at the University of Michigan Law School, and I'm requesting permission to practice under MCR 8.120 under the supervision of Sarah Sallin, who's present here via Zoom.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Sallin. Permission to practice is granted.
Good morning, Judge.
Thank you.
As the confusion clears, the attorneys admit they haven't even discussed the issue together yet. The judge suggests a practical solution. Adjourn the matter. Let them talk it out. Both sides agree. The courtroom breathes for a moment as the next hearing date is set, October 31st, 2025. But what follows next brings a surprising burst of energy into the room.
I'm representing April Palmer, who's also present here via Zoom. We just got on the case and filed our appearance, and we just requested filings from opposing counsel this morning. So we are requesting an adjournment on this case.
Mr. Friedman, you want to say anything? She just kind of took over, didn't she?
Yeah,
she did that on the last case. It was horrible.
She's waiting for me to put my appearance on.
I know she does not do that. She starts out. She's so happy she just goes.
Yeah, well, that's all right. I understand. I've been there.
Yeah.
In any event, Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff, and that October 31st date is fine.
All right. I'll adjourn the matter to October 31st, 2025 at 1 p.m. That's an in-person proceeding. All right.
Thank you.
That doesn't conflict with any class schedule, does it? I know we went through that the last time.
Yeah, no, that's a good time. Thank you.
That's a good time. I'm glad I could help out. All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good
Bye.
weekend.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Court does call the case of Barnes and Barnes versus Annette Brown.
Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff.
Annette Brown, you'll need to turn on your camera and unmute.
Okay.
Okay, there you are. We see you. All right. Good morning. And what is plaintiff's claim on this case?
Including costs, $22.45, $2,245.
All right. And ma'am, how are you going to get that?
A young student attorney named Melody steps forward, representing the defendant under supervision. Her confidence instantly lights up the courtroom. Even the judge smiles, granting her permission to practice. The opposing lawyer jokes that she just takes over every time she speaks. Laughter breaks the courtroom tension for a moment, reminding everyone that even in law, humanity still exists.
Okay.
I have spoke with Jessica to form an agreement, pay him $450 for the next 6 weeks, every Friday, starting with this Friday. Well, starting with yesterday. I made the first payment yesterday.
Okay.
And completing that balance, getting that
Got it.
balance paid off.
All right. What you may want to do is you may want to contact Mr. Friedman's office. That has to be reduced to a writing if we're going to resolve the case that way. Okay. Mr. Friedman's number is on your paperwork that you received regarding the court proceeding.
Okay.
So let him check with his client, see if that's all going to work out. And you said you paid $450.
Yes,
All right.
I dropped it off. Yes.
Okay, so that may not be in this number. So what I'll do is I'll adjourn this to the 31st, October 31st, 2025 at 1 p.m. Is that? At 1 p.m. That's an in-person hearing, and hopefully we can get this all resolved. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Mark.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. And then, that was on this week, yes. Stefan, is it Gillette versus Amanda Raines.
Ellis Friedman for the plaintiff.
Amanda Raines, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
All right. What is plaintiff's claim on this case?
Termination of tenancy at will. Actually, it's not tenancy at will. It's kind of a holdover.
It's a termination. They've got these files marked up. This is the second one. All right. And so, ma'am, what's your position on this?
So, good morning, Your Honor.
A young student attorney named Melody steps forward, representing the defendant under supervision. Her confidence instantly lights up the courtroom. Even the judge smiles, granting her permission to practice. The opposing lawyer jokes that she just takes over every time she speaks. Laughter breaks the courtroom tension for a moment, reminding everyone that even in law, humanity still exists.
What my position is that Stefan and I, he is not the landlord. He is an ex-boyfriend, and we were basically roommates for the last few months. And I tried to work out an agreement with him. I tried to pay him rent. He said he wouldn't accept it. And so now here we are. I found paperwork on the door Saturday. Then he mailed me paperwork that I received on Monday. So I haven't had a chance to review with any legal services. So I'm not sure what to do now.
All right. Hold on. So he is not the owner of the premises you're indicating?
No, he's not. His mother and father are.
Oh, okay. And so you two moved in together?
He lived here. I see the lease was attached. I see he signed a lease in 2010 and it expired in 2011. I moved in with him 5 years ago, and I never had a lease with his mother. I just paid him rent every month.
Got it.
He has an expired lease for the premises with his parents. It's never been. It's a month-to-month lease. He is the lawful tenant there, and she's not a tenant pursuant to any sort of lease.
Got it. Okay. All right, but I think I understand the circumstances. All right, Ms. Ray, you're gonna try to seek legal advice on this. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to figure out some things and some questions that I have. So I would like to ask you if you could give me some time for that.
All right, I'll adjourn it out a week to October 31st, 2025 at 1 p.m. That's an in-person hearing.
Okay,
All
Thank you so
right,
much.
but I'll give you an opportunity to at least seek legal advice. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. Is that it for you, Mr. Friedman? I think so.
I'm on the new docket.
Yeah.
That's it for now. Thank you.
Okay. We'll see you then.
Finally, a dramatic case unfolds. A woman named Amanda claims her landlord isn't really her landlord, but her ex-boyfriend. What started as a relationship turned into a rental dispute. The judge uncovers that the actual property belongs to the man's parents, not him. Amanda pleads for time to seek legal advice. The judge grants her a week, another October 31st hearing. As the session closes, everyone exhales. Justice once again is delayed but not denied.